In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create a movie review channel. Look at this channel. This channel is getting huge views. Every single week he is uploading 2 videos. For reviewing movies, he is showing his face. But you can make this type of videos without showing your face. Like, check this channel. This channel is reviewing movies without showing their faces. He is only using movie clips and voiceover in his video. So we can make this type of channel without showing our face. And the most important thing is you don't need to watch the full movie. So how to start? At first we need the movie name. Always pick a new movie. Today I will show you how you will make a review video on John Wick Chapter 4. I have already downloaded the movie. Now we need a script. For script you can use ChatGPT. But for new movies, ChatGPT is not going to give you anything. But for old movies you can use ChatGPT. Now we are going to use Google. Just visit Google and search John Wick Chapter 4 review. You will get a lot of reviews. Read few of them and based on those reviews write your own script. Or simply pick one review and write it with your own words. That's it. So after getting a script we need voiceover. For voiceover I am going to use 11 Labs. Just visit 11 Labs and paste your text in this box. Now from this list select your voiceover artist. Like I am selecting this one. Now click on generate. You can use 2500 characters each time, so you need to make your audio part by part. At this moment I am doing a small part of my video. You just do this audio part by part. Now download it. So it has been downloaded. Now editing. This is the most important part. Look at this channel. He is using only clips for his video. Check this video, check this video, check any of his video. He is only using clip. So the most important part for this type of video is editing. For editing I am going to use CapCut. This is totally free and very much user friendly. I have imported the movie, the audio and few images from John Wick Chapter 4. I have downloaded those images from Google and you can do the same. I will show you why you need the images. So at first drag the movies here. Now click on ratio and now click 16:9. Now adjust the video with your frame. Our first step is we will mute the audio. So go to audio and decrease the volume. So at this moment we have no audio with this video. Now click on this video again. Go to speed. We will slow the video speed. Just decrease it. Check here was on. Now here is 0.9. That's enough. Now we will take some clips according to our script. And the clip length will be maximum 8 seconds. Mind it, we are not going to take any clips more than 8 seconds. So just check your script and take some clips according to your script. I am just showing you the process. Like I am taking my first clip. I am just splitting it here. So I will take 8 seconds. So it will be around 4 minutes 48 seconds. So just split it here. This is our first clip. Then I will take another clip. Just check 5 minutes 20 seconds. I am splitting it here and the next cut will be 5 minutes 28 seconds. Just I am splitting it here again. So this is my second clip. I will take 2 more clips. You just take as much clip as you need. For third clip I am splitting it here and here. So this is my third clip. I will take another clip. Just take clip according to your script. So split it here and split it here. So this is my fourth clip. I am not going to take any more clips because I have a short audio. So you just take as much clip as you need. Now delete the rest. Drag them here. Now drag the audio. At first keep the first clip here and drag the rest clip here. After the first clip, I will take on image. Just drag on image here. Now adjust the image. Now I will give it some animation. Just click on this add keyframe. Now come here and scale it. Now adjust the image. So after first clip, use one image, then another clip. You don't need to do anything with the clip. Just drag another image after that clip. Give it some animation also. Just click here and come here and scale it. Now adjust the image. Now add another clip, then another image. Adjust the image. Always add some animation to your image. Just click it and come here and scale it. That's it. Now add another clip. Just make it short to adjust your video. That's it. Now we need a background music. I have already downloaded a background music from YouTube Creator Studio. Just drag this music here. Click on it and decrease the volume level. Now go to end and split it. Now delete it. That's it. Now we need to add an effect over the video. Just go to effect. Here are lots of effects. Just select on and drag over your video. Now pull it through the end of your video. I will suggest always use the effect over your video. This is important. Now adjust the properties of the effect, like decrease the texture, decrease the speed, decrease the size, decrease the filters, colors, everything. So this is our video. You can add subtitle over your video. So for adding subtitle, go to text, go to auto caption and click on create. It will take some time to add the captions. So here is our caption. We can change the font from here. You can change the font size from here. We can change the style, make it bold or anything. You can change the color of the font. Like click on it and click on the color, and you can add also stroke. Now check.
Curiosities of the John Wick series is that, as an entirely original creation dependent on no prior properties, it has nonetheless given rise to an alluring and self-perpetuating.
So this is the process. You just follow this process and complete your entire video. Now click on export. Give it a name. Now export. This is the process that this channel is doing. Just no face, only voiceover and clips. But if you think this channel's between clips he is using his face, that's the difference. But you know we can do the same thing without showing our face. If you like this video, then please comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.